Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Junry Malinge, or just for me, Teacher Junry, a licensed professional teacher major in mathematics. Ako po ay gumagawa ng mga Tagalog math tutorial mula grade 7 hanggang grade 11. Ito po ay tulong at dedikasyon para sa mga magulang, sa mga magtuturo, at lalo-lalo na sa ating mga kabataan. Ayan, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to like and share and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga bagong video na ipapalabas. Stay tuned! Magandang hapon. Muli ako po si Teacher JM. Ngayong hapon tatalakayin po natin nagmula sa grade 7 tungkol po ito sa Laws of Exponents. May mga iba't ibang rules kung paano tayo mag-solve ng Laws of Exponents. Okay? So here we go. Simulan na natin. Okay, Laws of Exponents. So may mga iba't ibang uri ng Laws of Exponents. Una, mayroon po tayong Product Law of Exponents. Pangalawa, the Quotient Law of Exponents. Pangatlo, the Power of a Power Rule. Pangapat, the Power of a Product. At ang panghuli, Power of a Quotient. Pero, unahin muna natin yung Product Law of Exponents. Alright. Okay. Product Law of Exponents, meron po tayong solution. Or meron po Product Law of Exponents. So, paano natin ito i-solve? Meron po tayong formula na dapat nating sundin. So for example, like this. So we have a raised m times a raised n equal a m plus n. So this is itinatawag na base. Yan. So the same base, ibig sabihin i-add lang natin ang exponents nakuha. So for example, this is our formula. So a exponent of m times a exponent of n equal, if ever na same tayo ng base, ibig sabihin i-add natin i-copy natin yung base at saka i-add natin yung exponent. So m plus n. Halimbawa, tulad ito. So we have x squared times x cubed. Ibig sabihin, same sila ng base. So meaning, copy lang natin yung base at saka i-add natin yung exponent niya. So, then i-add. So, we have, copy lang natin yung x, to plus 3, 5. So, this is our final answer. X raised 5. Nakuha. Okay, another example. Okay, number 2. M times m squared. So, ibig sabihin, pareho sila ng base. So, kopyahin lang natin yung base natin at saka i-add natin yung exponents. So, as what I told you before, that kung wala tayong exponent, ibig sabihin, meron siyang visible 1. So, pwede niyang hindi lagyan ng exponent. So, now, i-add natin yung exponent 1 plus 2. So, we have, meron tayong 1 dyan. And then, next is e. So, i-add natin. So, we have m, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, that is 3. So, ibig sabihin, this is our final answer, a cubed. So, number 3, a times b times b squared times b squared. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong dalawang base na magkapareho. So, ibig sabihin, i-copy na natin yung base na a, tapos i-add natin yung exponent na 1 plus 1 times b, i-add natin yung 2 plus 2. Next, a, 1 plus 1, that is 2, times b, 2 plus 2, that is 4. Is it the final answer? No. So, we're going to multiply. So, a squared, b 4. So this is our final answer. Okay, so quotient law of exponents. So ang ating formula dyan, so for example, meron tayong a power of m over a power of n. So kanina, ang ginawa natin is add natin yung exponents. Pero ngayon, is subtract natin ang exponents. For example, this one. So ito ang ating formula na gagamitin. So we have a over am over en. So equal. So, as ang multiplication is, kanina, i-add natin yung exponents. Pero ngayon, i-subtract natin. So, copy ang base, m minus n. If ang ating m is greater than sa n. So, mas dako ang ating m kaysa sa n. So, we have, for example, tulad nito. Meron tayong a cube over a squared. So, let's say we have, kopyahin natin yung base, saka i-subtract natin yung exponents. So, ayan. So, magiging, so, copy yung base. Subtract 3 minus 2, that is 1 or A. So, ang ating answer is A. Nakuha. So, how about this one? A squared over A to the power 4. Ayan. So, as you can see that ang ating N is greater than sa ating M. So, ano ang dapat natin gawin? So, same pa rin. So, we have same pa rin ang ating gagamitin. Pero, ito ang dapat yung gawin. So, kopyahin natin yung base at saka i-subtract natin yung exponents, 2 minus 4. And then, kopyahin yung base, 2 minus 4, that is negative 2. Since ang ating exponents is negative 2, so, hindi tayo makalagay ng exponents na negative. So, anong dapat natin gawin? Ibig sabihin, i-down natin yung A exponents of negative 2. So magiging 1 over A squared. This is our final answer. Another example. So we have A cube over A cube. So we have same tayo ng base. Kopyahin natin yung base at saka i-subtract natin yung exponents. So we have i-subtract natin. So kopyahin yung base A, 3 minus 3, that is 0. So ibig sabihin, all base na meron tayong exponents na 0, that is always equal to 1. Nakuha. So our final answer is equal 1. Okay, let's proceed to power of a power rule. Okay, power of a power rule. So ang ating formula na gagamitin ay ito. So we have, for example, A power of M times N. So this one, the power of a power rule. So meron siyang the power and the power rule. So ibig sabihin, i-multiply na natin ang ating power of a power. So let's say, kopyahin natin yung base natin at saka i-multiply natin yung mn. So m times n, mn. Is it alright? Okay, so for example, para mas maintindihan nyo, magbigay ako ng halimbawa. This one, so we have x squared times cube. Okay, x squared times cube. Ibig sabihin, ang x squared, i-multiply natin ng ilang bases? Tatlong bases. So we have x squared times x squared times x squared. Nakuha. Okay. So next is, kopyahin natin yung base kasi same tayo ng base. We have x and then i-add natin yung exponents. Same kanina sa product law of exponents. Alright, so i-add natin. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, next is x, 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 4. Is it the final answer? No, this is not the final answer kasi our exponent is 4. So ibig sabihin, ang ating exponent is 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus 2, that is 6. So our final answer is x exponent of 6. Nakuha. Okay, another example. How about this one? So we have x squared over y squared. Ayan, times, ayan, squared. So now, meron tayong numerator at saka denominator. So ano ang dapat natin gawin? I-multiply lang natin ang power of a power rule. So we have, let's kopyahin natin yung base at saka i-multiply natin yung power of a power. 2 times 2, that is 4 over, kopyahin yung base. Alright, 2 times 2, that is 4. Is it the final answer? Yes, this is our final answer. Nakuha. Di ba ang easy lang? Okay, since you don't have any questions, let's proceed to number 4, the power of a product. Okay, power of a product. So ang ating gagamitin na formula ay A, B times M. So ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin ang power of a product. So i-multiply natin dito at saka dito. So we have, ito yung magiging base natin is A, base, ayan, exponent of A, at saka B, exponent of M. Bali, i-distribute natin yung power natin. Halimbawa, 2A cube. Ayan, 2A cube. Ibig sabihin, cube, i-multiply natin yung power of a product. So we have, let's say, kopyahin natin yung base. Ayan. Alright. 3 times 1, ang exponent dito, we have, meron siyang 1. 3 times 1, that is 3. And our A is 3 times 1 again, so that is 3. Is it the final answer? Is it the final answer? No, this is not the final answer kasi A, multiply pa natin ito. Alright, akuha. I-multiply pa natin yan. So ito ay magiging, since meron tayong cubes, i-multiply natin 2 times 2 times 2. Kopyahin natin yung A cube. Akuha. Okay, next is multiply 2 times 2, 4 times 2, that is 8. So we have 8A cube. Is it the final answer? Yes, this is our final answer, 8A cube. Another example. Meron tayong x squared y squared, or rather y and squared, like that. So we have, i-multiply lang natin, so magiging x squared times squared. Alright, next is y times, ayan, y times squared. Okay, equal. So equal natin, multiply natin yon. So let's say, since squared dito, so multiply x squared times x squared. Ayan, followed by y. Ayan, y squared. So magiging diya. So we have, meron tayong diya. So y squared na. Okay? The next is, kopya natin yung base kasi same sila ng base at saka i-add natin yung exponents. Or like this, we have y1. So, ito ay magiging, i-add natin yung exponents, 2 plus 2 times y1 plus 1. Okay? So next is 2 plus 2, that is 4 times y, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Is it the final answer? No, so multiply pa natin. So we have x to the 4th times y squared, that is x4 y squared. So this is our final answer, x raised 4 y squared. Nakuha. Okay, the last laws of exponents, power of quotient. Okay, the power of a quotient. If a, b, and m is a real number, then a over b times n equal, so a m over b m. So this one, yun lang ang ating susundan. So magbigay ako ng halimbawa tulad nito. So 3 over m squared. So let's say, ibig sabihin, so i-multiply natin yung exponent sa 3. Ayan. Ayan dito. Okay. Over m. Okay, so ganyan. Nakuha. Next is a, multiply natin yun. I-apply natin yung product of, loss of a product. So 1. Ayan. 1 over m 1 m 1. So next is 3 squared over, ayan, over m 1 plus 1, that is, ayan, 2. Is it the final answer? No, so i-multiply na natin to, yung dito nga portion. So magiging, ang sagot natin ay, so 3 times 3, kasi squared po yan, 3 times 3, that is 9 over m squared. 9 over m squared. Ayan, nakuha. Okay, last example. We have 2 over 3. Ayan, cube. So ibig sabihin, i-multiply na natin to. So we have i-apply, or you can direct just 1. Ayan, meron siya 1. 1 times 2, that is 3 over 3. Ayan, 1 times 2, that is 3. Next is a, simplify natin. So we have, ayan, 2 times 2 times 2 over 3 times 3 times 3. Nakuha? Okay, next is, i-multiply natin. 2 times 2, that is 4. Ayan, 4 times 2, that is 8. So 8 over, ayan, 3 times 3, that is 9. Ayan, 9. 9 times 3, that is 27. So we have 27. Is it the final answer? Yes, our final answer is 8 over 27. Nakuha. I'm back. Ayan. Kung nakatulong po ito sa inyo, please like this video at mag-comment na rin kayo sa baba. It's me again, Teacher JM. Laging nagsasabi, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, at mag-aral ng mabuti para sa may magandang kinabukasan. See you to my next vlog. God bless and goodbye.